看那个车转圈圈的。
As the Chinese New Year approaches, millions of people across the country are making their annual journey home to reunite. However, this year's travel rush has been met with significant challenges as northern China grapples with a combination of severe weather conditions, including strong winds, cold waves, heavy fog, and record-breaking snowfall. Provinces such as Hunan, Shaanxi, and Shaanxi have been particularly hard hit, causing widespread transportation disruptions. The heavy snow and icy road conditions have forced temporary traffic controls on highways in several northern provinces. According to Hunan Traffic Radio, snow depths in areas such as Luanchuan and Song County have exceeded 20 centimeters. The province's transportation department has reported widespread closures and restrictions on major highways due to snow accumulation and poor visibility caused by fog. In Hunan province alone, key cities including Zhengzhou, Luoyang, Pingdingshan, Nanyang, and Xuchang have implemented partial or full closures of highway sections. Certain routes are entirely off-limits to vehicles, while others have specific restrictions in place, such as bans on passenger vehicles with more than 7 or 9 seats, as well as trucks carrying hazardous materials. The situation on the roads has left many drivers and passengers stranded for extended period. Social media posts highlight the plight of individuals stuck in traffic for up to 12 hours. Some areas have reported road accidents due to icy conditions, further compounding delays.
高速封了，唯一这一条路可以走，这个山路去运。
On National Highway 241, snow accumulation has reached 15 centimeters, with overturned private vehicles and fallen trees visible along the route. A heavy snowfall has blanketed Lantian County in Shaanxi Province, leaving snowdrifts as deep as half a meter in front of villagers' homes.
"如果按照这个情况来看的话，我的年夜饭应该是葱香排骨。
In the Qinling Mountains, the snow has accumulated so much that vehicles cannot pass through, leaving residents confined to activities near their homes as travel becomes nearly impossible. The snowstorm has also affected air travel, with Landshut Airport in Gansu Province experiencing widespread delays. The airport has reported long queues of grounded flights as heavy snowfall continues to blanket the region. Passengers attempting to fly home for the holidays are facing significant uncertainties, adding stress to an already hectic travel season.
路上全部都死了，低速也走不了，国道也走不了，是高速不让上。现在。
我操！
Meteorologists predict that the snow depth across eastern Gansu, southern Ningxia, Shaanxi, southern Shaanxi, and western Hunan will continue to increase between January 26 and 28. Many of these regions are mountainous, making highway travel particularly hazardous. Authorities warn that more road closures and restrictions are likely in the coming days. Notably, northern China are experiencing snowfall intensity that is unusual for this time of year and may break local January snowfall record. These extraordinary weather conditions have raised concerns about the safety and feasibility of travel during one of the busiest times of the year in China. As the Lunar New Year holiday draws near, millions of travelers may face further delays and disruptions due to the extreme weather.
这是4，你再看这头，看，还有把石头台呀乡党们，西安往商南方向沪陕高速现在正在堵车。
Authorities are urging people to exercise caution and plan their journeys carefully, with many advised to postpone travel if possible.
这可不是人人都欢欢喜喜回家过大年呐，可不是人人欢喜呀。
The heavy snowfall, combined with sub-zero temperatures, is expected to persist for several days, making it crucial for both drivers and local governments to stay vigilant.